Good morning. I'm Dan Pavlonis, Senior Market Strategist here at RJO Futures. Here to talk about the currencies, which I do every Thursday. We're going into a 3-day weekend, so we're just going to be looking back the last couple of days. Yesterday, Yellen was speaking about accommodative measures, at least staying somewhat accommodative during this whole tapering process. We're seeing the dollar in kind of this consolidation. Looks like it's bottoming again. What we've talked about for the last several weeks is that tapering is just a form of creating or extracting this liquidity, excess liquidity out of the market. You can see across the banking stocks that it's having some effect on them. But as a whole, I think this is being done in correlation with what's going on in the Eurozone, where the ECB is talking about accommodative measures again, and whether they actually follow through with it is to be seen. But they're at a 0.05 inflation rate. They need to get, their target is 2%, so it's going to take a weaker, much weaker euro to get to that level. And then Bank of Japan yesterday, this morning, early this morning, talking about staying accommodative, trying to bring the yen down further, which is also in congestion right now, to create and boost exports. So Europe, Bank of Japan, large parts of our U.S. GDP, and I think we've seen a weak dollar for several years now. Now it's time to reverse that role and see a stronger dollar. Looking forward, I think we're going to see a much weaker euro, which is going to be very beneficial to the Eurozone, and then also a much weaker yen, so to create economic flourishment. So if you have any questions, give me a call. Dan Pavlonis, Senior Market Strategist here at RJO Futures. Thank you. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.